vibration tray. You just put the Gummy candy into this vibration tray, and the counting machine will count. Just for example, now we set the 3 pieces in each bag. Then this counting machine will count the 3 pieces and will going into the bag former. And bag former will forming the film into bag. Then go down and check. Let's see how does it work. See, 1, 2, 3 pieces can go 1, 2, 3, and then after counting 3 pieces will go into the film and seal and card. This is the final product. 3 pieces in each bag. Of course, you can make the bag smaller. This is the final product. And also can pack this kind of products. Tablet, gummy candy, hard candy, capsule, tablet. All these products are packed by this machine. The speed of this machine is around